Today I am going to give a video lecture on the topic combinatorial chemistry and its applications. I am Rajnikant, Professor and Head Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis, Chalapathy Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Coming to the interactive part, combinatorial chemistry is a new method developed by academics and researchers mainly to reduce the time and cost of producing effective and marketable and competitive drugs. The scientists used combinatorial chemistry to create large number of molecules that can be easily and efficiently detected. And this technique is widely used by pharmaceutical chemists in industry. Combinatorial chemistry is mainly applied in the area of lead discovery and lead optimization. Once this is done, there is a development of a candidate which finally results in the form of a drug, which is marketable. Coming to the definition, combinatorial chemistry is an automated synthesis of large number of chemical variants in a short time period. And it is carried out on a small scale using solid phase synthesis and using automated synthetic machines. And the ultimate result is this approach gives rise to a large number of biologically screenable compounds, and these large number of biologically screenable compounds we call them as combinatorial library. Basically, the technique involves parallel synthesis in which you get a single product in each reaction vessel, or it may be a synthesis of mixtures where a mixture of compounds are formed in each reaction vessel. So when you compare the strategies of conventional method and combinatorial method, in combinatorial you can find many advantages. First thing is many molecules at a time. You can make tests and then you can purify the compounds, the desired compounds. You can make thousands of molecules at a time. The lead generation is faster and the risk of failure is less. So the ultimate aim is to identify the lead compound. And this lead compound, whatever that is been identified, it can be further taken into the next stages of drug development, a process by which a lead can be optimized, and then once it has been optimized, this lead can be developed into a drug molecule. So this is where mainly the application of combinatorial chemistry. So by combinatorial library, we have found we can synthesize many number of compounds of diverse molecular structure, and these compounds can be tested, means screened, and once screened you identify the hit compounds and you try to purify them, and from these hits you generate a lead. A lead is the one which is having a profound activity, and this lead can be taken further to the optimization stage where you can employ the QSAR techniques. So in this way, combinatorial chemistry plays a very important role in drug discovery, in reducing the time and in reducing the cost. Thank you very much for actively listening to this video lecture.